Hey, what's up? Welcome to Degen Ed. That's degenerative education, meaning none of this is financial advice. Just me having fun looking at charts, like the chart behind me, which is of Blink Charging, ticker symbol BLNK, which closed on the day, August 5th, at a price of $2.76, being down about 2.5% on the day, and we can see that we did get a pretty nice bounce. A lot of bounces in the market here, buying the fear, buying the panic at the start of trading on Monday, and then price going up. It looks like from the lows, it's up about 7%, so quite a nice dip buying opportunity at the lows, which swept the prior lows over here at 258 that was hit on July 2nd. We hit slightly lower than that today during market hours, hitting a low of $2.56.5, bouncing, like I said, up about 7% from that level. But it does look like price is at a somewhat precarious level, considering that earnings are coming up on Wednesday, August 7th. The reason why it does look a little bit precarious, following this bounce is because of this purple uptrend, as well as this 786 level at 283, which I had been thinking would be holding or could be holding as support. We did, of course, see this gap down. And now with the move up getting not only rejected from 283, having hit a high on the day of 284.7, we closed at 276, not only below that 786 level, but also below this purple uptrend. And so if I take a step back, we can see where that level originates from, and that is from over here, the low of 218 hit on January 17th, as well as the low hit on March 22nd. We can see that uptrend. We did break below it here, as well as over here a little bit. We're trading below it now. But this level did strike me as being the neckline of a head and shoulders pattern. We did not get a measured move to the downside. Instead, we bounced from this level at 222, which was the pivot low going back to October 30th of last year. And so we did bounce from that. Now trading below that uptrending level, I'm thinking that if price is closing below right around 280 tomorrow on Tuesday, August 6th, that could be suggesting that we are closing before earnings day below a level that has been key support in the past. It might be now acting as key resistance. And we could then be seeing either some downside or maybe some consolidation, not being able to get above that level. Maybe there'd be some dip buying opportunities, or maybe there'd be an opportunity to take some profits, if it does launch higher. But with it going higher, I could see 308.8, 309, 310 being a level of resistance, given that it was the bottom here. So if it does launch following earnings, I'd look for some resistance around $3, also corresponding with the 618 here and the 65% retracement from this up move, and that is the golden pocket there, also corresponding with this gap fill. So yeah, I think if price is going up to 310, it's going to be bumping into some resistance there, so that might be a good level to trim or take some profits at. So I think that it's kind of at a precarious point. I think that tomorrow, Tuesday, August 6th, we need to be seeing a close above 280. It also could be breaking above that level if earnings are good. So I think it's a tough place to be at, to be considering just below resistance. But really, if you think about it, you want to be selling below resistance, buying above support. And right now we are below two levels that do stand out as potentially being resistance. Some things that I can throw up here to maybe give us some more insight. If I throw up the volume profile, it does look like there is, and I can, adjust the time frame and that gets adjusted. So got to take this with a grain of salt, but it does look like, adjusting it like this, it looks like there's a good amount of volume traded above current price, a volume shelf that we're below, hitting our heads on. So, like I said, that price being, I said 280 before, and that does look like it is the volume average low here, highlighted over here on that y-axis, 280.2. So it does look like we are below resistance. So I would, if I was to bet on this, which I am not, I would say that this is probably more likely to be coming down. Maybe it comes down to 250, that red line that I have drawn there. That is probably just, an arbitrary $2.50, that being kind of, a psychological level. $2, 2/4. Maybe we could be coming down to that level and then testing that as support, but we also could be coming back down to 222 after earnings. So a little bit precarious, so do trade with caution. But, those are just my thoughts. If you found them helpful, make sure you like the video, share your thoughts in the comments down below, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thanks a lot for watching.